You know the level of Šeško, you know the level of Šerin, you know the level of Elšnik, you know the level of Sečlar, you know the level of Bijol. They need to play at their biggest level. So this is the responsibility of one coach. If the players are performing at their best level, you can consider the coach at a good level. The way how, the style, the system, we don't want to talk. This is your problem. My responsibility is, if Celje players, you have 10 they are not performing at their level, I will not say that they are bad players. I will say I am not letting them to perform well. So, because the responsibility of one coach is not only that you having result, is that players, they are feeling happy. And feeling happy, they need to perform. So the way how they perform. And this player, with the generation that they have, the possibility that they have, the quality that they have, they must perform well. And if they perform well, you have a lot of possibilities to win.